Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing the Advent Calendar 2024 Christmas Tree Paradise Building toy set. This is not your usual Advent calendar. It's actually a Christmas tree building set with 24 surprise boxes to open, one each day in December. Inside each box are about 60 to 120 pieces to build a new section of the tree. It even comes with these cool LED lights that can flash on or stay on, perfect for the Christmas vibe. The blocks snap together easily, and the instruction booklet shows you exactly how to build each section step by step. It's really fun and not too hard, perfect for older kids and adults to build together. Look at this, each of these 24 boxes is numbered so you can open a new one every day until Christmas Eve. By then, you'll have a whole Christmas tree complete with lights, ornaments, little trains, snowmen, and more.